the touch, we never love the feeling.
Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to reignite our flame. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this coming? Yes,
I am a perfect 10. I am a perfect 10.
Expectations, they keep weighing